Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD, Euro Dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 4-hour chart of DXY US dollar currency index, and if you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you were ready for the craziness that we witnessed yesterday. I have been talking about the ascending triangle pattern where we had a resistance and market was not breaking the previous lows, and yes, we were expecting the move and we got the move, the massive move yesterday. And right now US dollar is trading at 106.58. US dollar is trading at 20-year high now, 20-year high. Okay, so right now we do not have any resistance on the chart of DXY. I have already told you before. Let me show you on the chart. This is the monthly chart of DXY because daily chart is not doing the job. This is a monthly chart, and you can see that on the monthly chart we have some sort of resistance around 100 line level, and before that we have got nothing. Okay, we have got nothing, so things are quite serious right now. Okay, so and if you observe the market carefully, or if you observe the chart of DXY carefully, then you can see that though we had some sort of consolidation, but right now market seems to be ready again. Okay, if you look at the market here, then you can see that we have a flag pattern here, bullish flag pattern, and if market follows the bullish flag pattern, then obviously there will be a trend continuation and we may see further downside on Euro USD if dollar starts going up again. And if US dollar shows some sort of correction, then obviously the previous the previous resistance of 105.60 will now be acting as a new support for the market. Clear? See, Euro falls to lowest level since 2002. Euro USD disparity. It means that there is a fear in the market that the Euro USD will fall to 1.000. Okay, right now Euro USD is trading at 1.0250. So okay, there is a possibility that Euro USD may fall to 1.000 as well. My God. Okay. So considering all the factors here, okay, the best thing right now is to follow the trend. If you have watched my videos, if you have been following me, then you know it very well that I always focus on the trend of the market, because after all, whether you trade on stock market, forex market, commodity market, doesn't matter. Market only has one rule, and the rule is follow the trend. And right now we can easily see that the trend of the market is very much towards the downside. So following the only rule of the market, you should also be looking for sell positions only. If you have already taken a buy position, then my dear friend, if market, listen to me carefully, if market breaks 1.0230 level, then please exit from the buy positions, because things will be extremely critical for you again. And just the opposite of DXY, we have a bearish flag pattern here. You can see that after some consolidation, market does not have the strength to go up. The buyers in the market, see, the market has only two players, buyers and sellers. The buyers in the market does not have the power, buyers does not have the strength to take the market up. Okay, so there is a high chance, high possibility that by the as the day proceeds, okay, we may see further downside on the chart of Euro USD. We do not have any immediate support on the chart of Euro USD also. Okay. Just the opposite, just the opposite. We do not have any immediate resistance on DXY, and we do not have any immediate support on the chart of Euro USD. So things are quite critical, crazy right now. So please be careful. Okay, the only trading strategy you should be following right now is, if Euro USD breaks this particular level here, or the yesterday's low, you may get further fall again. If you see the market is going down again with big fat red candles, take a sell position with risk management. That's it. Okay, And whatever you do, follow proper risk management, because protection of capital should be your first priority. So do not gamble with the hard-earned money. Follow proper risk management. The market is extremely volatile right now. Capital protection should be your first priority. Okay, my analysis may be wrong as well, so please be careful. And in case if you see also market going up from here, or market recovering from here, okay, you can take a buy position if you have the experience. But otherwise, if you're new to the market, please avoid taking any buy position right now, as long as we do not get any trend reversal sign fundamentally. It means that until and unless we have any news backing up a trend reversal, you should be following the trend of the market. It means that you should be looking for sell positions only. This is my point of view. I may be wrong as well, but if possible, okay, listen to me and follow proper risk management. Calculate your positions accordingly. Bye bye, take care, and do not gamble.